Hi everybody, how's it going? Good to see you, long time no see. Now,
no sizzle.
I didn't want to show it right away.
Oh, you're almost showing the box.
I almost jumped the gun.
There is a title to the video and a thumbnail.
Yeah, so I guess it...
What could it possibly be?
Whoa! Look at these cutie pies. Shablam.
Today we're going to be working on some of the newer kits from the 30-Minute Sisters line.
Yeah.
I kept calling them the Demon Sisters, but I think more accurately they're Oni or they're ogres in English common language.
Yes, I think you're right.
So I've got Shuremi, I think is how you pronounce her name.
I have Sourei?
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 I also noticed that Shuremi's called Sis U and yours is called Sis... No.
I like that. It's cute.
It is cute.
I love it. Blue and pink.
Yeah, whenever they release 30-Minute Sisters, I love when they release things that look similar or look like a pair. There were Lironel and Laurinel that came out before, which I thought was cute.
Yeah.
The Acerbees, there was an A and B, a pink and
Yes.
blue.
Yes.
It's nice when things come in pairs that very much match
Our energy.
us.
What we like. Yeah.
Yeah.
Our preferences.
Yes.
Yeah, because we are very different in what we like. So we're never fighting over something. We were talking about this earlier. We never fight over anything because anytime there's a pair of something, we always gravitate towards one or the other.
Very clear who wants what.
Yeah.
But I've noticed when they do pairings like this, they don't always release the same month, so you pick up one. I think Sourei came out first, and then you've got to wait a couple months before Shuremi came out.
Yeah.
So we did wait. We held on to Sourei, and we wanted to do the both of them together. So we have built them. We're going to show you guys a close-up what we think of them visually, and then we'll get into the build experience after.
Okay, so for my girl Sourei, her vibe is very much samurai. That's kind of what I'm getting with the armor, the sword, everything. I love her vibe. I think she's... Oh my gosh. What is happening?
Camera going?
Oh my gosh, sorry. I don't know what's happening. Oh! Whoa! Sorry. Okay, here we go. Okay, now it's for real. Okay. So, Sourei, I love her. She's very tomboy. She's very feisty. I love all of the detail that she has. I think she's so different in all of the other fantasy kits, the other sisters. They all build so similar, but with her Oni mask on her shoulder, her flaming sword, it's happening again. I don't know what's happening. I'm scared. I don't know. I love her. I love her horns. I don't think there's actually anything the look about her that I don't like. She's just everything that I kind of look for in like a sister kit, a fantasy kit. I don't know. Okay, so for my girl, I took a bunch of pictures. Far away, she looks the same. She looks great. Now, when we get into it, I love her Oni mask on the side. I think it's so cool. It's different than anything we've seen before. Even on the fantasy kits, they'll sometimes have that cool, exciting, different armor. Like the Viking has the fur pieces. The warriors have like their big chunky knighthood, whatever. I don't know what you'd call them. What do you call them?
Epaulets.
Epaulets, whatever. I think there's so much cool detail and it's just so different. Here you can see the little, on her sailor Seifuku, they have the rope bows. Sourei and your girl, they have different like pieces in the middle. I just think that's so cool. Now for the next one, like the other side, that's very samurai to me. Just the layering of the armor. It's just, I really like it. We have some other samurai kits as well for 30-minute missions, and they're my favorites, to be honest. Her sword, it has fire on it. I like the detail of her sword too. Like they did add some lines and some panel line in there if you wanted to add anything to it. It's not just a plain piece of plastic, which I really appreciate. The flame was a little finicky to get on there, but I think it looks really cool. Her shoes, to make her go super fast and speedy, like the Flash, they have fire on it. More blue flame.
Taking a look at Shuremi, I love pink coated kits. I love when their clothing is a little bit more frilly and more than just that of a bodysuit, which I think Shuremi does really well with the large puffy sleeves. She does still have a is it a bodycon, bodysuit-esque torso? And her bottom half is more so just pantsu. But I do like that they add a little bit more to her with the really chunky heel, the long thigh highs, the super cute obi around her midriff, the sakura flowers in her hair, and of course the really big sleeves I think are the largest drawing point for Shuremi. It's very, very cutesy in contrast to the kit that Peanut had built. I think the two of them make quite a pair when they're put together. In some close-up photos, she looks so cute! It's a little bit harder to see her facial expression behind the long bangs. It does give her more of a shyer look, and I imagine the pose that I chose didn't help, but it just, to me, fit the style that she was going for, so this is how I have her posed. This one gives you a really good look of the midsection, the torso. Peanut has a matching little obi tie. I think it's cute that they added the sakura flower accent to hers, where I think Peanut's is an oni mask to match her shoulder piece. So it's cute that they're tying in the theme in different sections of the style of the clothing. It's a little bit harder to see, but on the upper arm, she has little flowers underneath the red band on her arm. It's harder to see when it's on her, but when you're putting the pieces together, they're very floral, very flower-esque. And underneath her obi, she has another sakura petal that's kind of tucked up underneath. So the theme lends itself well to different sections of the torso. This is a close-up of the kimono arms. I'm not sure if they have a specific name, but you can see the cutouts of the sakura flower, which is really nice. If you were so inclined to do a little bit of panel lining, I think it would really help to have the sakura flowers and the designs here pop. Same with the sakura on the obi and the sakura underneath the obi. A little bit of panel lining could help, I think, the petals stand out a little bit nicer. She has the craziest weapon I think I've seen in any of the model kits that we've built. To me, this is a spiky soccer ball. Yeah. A spiky sports ball.
Oh, for sure.
I love that it has the pink soft undertones and the black sharp points. For such a cute, innocent kit, I think it's really funny. But I love when girl kits have really obnoxious large weapons. I love the cute aesthetic with the crazy paired weaponry. So I love that she comes with it. It's very, very fun for me. I also love the heels that she has on.
Sourei?
That'd be crazy if you're right, because I have no idea.
I think that's... I don't know if that includes the heel on it, but I believe Sourei are what, like, that thong sandal kind of fancy...
She has a huge platform underneath these, which again, just add to the more cutesy aesthetic of it and the different style of kimono. I think it's very, very cute.
I love there's a flower on the handle of the weapon, and she's so dainty.
She is.
That she has a massive weapon, and you can actually see the detail really good here. It's so... Imagine panel lining that. It would look incredible.
There you go. You can see the crazy amount of platform that she's got under there. And the plastic dust that I didn't wipe away. Feels bad, man. Still cute.
Still cute, and just slightly...
Getting creeped on by Domon and Master Asia in the background there, though.
The camera kept wanting to focus on their faces. I had to fight with them so hard. Taking all these pictures. Yeah.
I wonder if the webcam will pick it up if we shove them in nice and close. Don't look at me. Look at her. Yes! So cute. Me casually covering my face.
Yeah.
Yes. So these are what they look like on a regular webcam.
Yep.
So cute. This
my nails match. Oh,
fake fan. Dang it.
Sorry. Cute. I think they look great.
I think they look great as well. This is how we've chosen to pose them, so I'm gonna go with something a little bit more cutesy feminine, which I think matches the vibe.
Yeah, my girl, I always pick the angry faces. They're so determined and ready for battle, always. Yeah. I love them.
Cute! It would be nice to get a stand that has like two prongs so we can put the two of them together.
That's true. Yeah, that'd be cute.
Thankfully, we both chose like standing-ish poses, so it'll be easier enough. I'll just have to make sure mine's on this side.
Yeah.
Because you're...
My sword.
My sword.
Beautiful. I love them.
I think wonderful praise for these all the way around, as expected with the 30-minute sister line.
I don't think we've ever been disappointed with a 30-minute sister.
Not the build experience. There have been times where I'm like, please give me more than a bodysuit.
True, yes.
Which I think these do well.
Yeah, this is like a good combo. You get the bodysuit, sure, because it's simple, but there's always stuff added on top.
There's a little bit more to it. You've got the really nice heels, you've got the long sleeves, you've got your accent pieces.
Yep, I've got my armor, I've got a little sailor safe coup. It's not just a bodysuit, so I I respect it. I like it.
We didn't show you guys earlier, but on the boxes it does showcase the 3 faces that you get. With Shuremi, one of the downfalls I find is her faces are kind of hidden behind her hair, so it's a little bit hard to tell, but there are very small differences between the faces. I feel like it's easier to tell the differences with Peanut's faces.
Yeah. She has short hair. You can really see the emotion. It shows you without the armor and then with the armor as well. I think they're all cute, of course.
I thought it was interesting. We built them at the same time. With Peanuts, she built like the normal mode first, and then the shoulder pieces and a couple added extras were almost an add-on.
Yeah.
Whereas
do you know what it felt like?
Didn't have them.
No.
She was just, you built it all at the same time.
This experience reminded me of the fantasy kits.
30-minute fantasy?
A 30-minute fantasy, because you build the base, and then it had all of the armor, addition, and weapons after.
Yeah.
And that's exactly what it felt like to me. Yeah.
Yeah, I finished mine, and I was like, why aren't your shoulder pads on yet if you're on the legs? Yeah. So I was expecting hers to be built like mine, so slightly different build experiences.
Yeah.
This one also came with the cutest...
That looks like a keychain. You could put that on your purse.
You could put this on your purse.
That's so cute.
It's so menacing. I didn't put her with hands that hold it, but it's got the cutest little Sakura decal on it.
That's really cute.
It suits her so well. It's so adorable.
But even if you pose her, it could just be like wrapped around here near the base. It's just so
sitting
cool.
Around the bottom.
Yeah. So cool. I love it. I think they look great.
Used single cuts for both of these builds. We used our God hands. We used our 125s, I think they were.
Yeah. A little bit of sanding, but the plastic is nice.
No stress marks. Single cutting these. We don't get those with 30-minute Sisters, 30-minute Mission, 30-minute Fantasy, so we just single cut and sand the whole way. It's so nice to sand these. Nope. Yeah. No complaints.
No complaints.
The one thing that I've noticed I do with 30-minute Sister kits that I don't know if I've talked about it on stream before, but for pieces that are fleshy colored, sometimes you'll see like a little molding line down it, and I'll just kind of like sand it away so it looks a little bit smoother. Yeah. The thighs were the only skin piece that you could see it on for this kit. Yeah. But it's so easy to sand them away. You don't have to worry about it if it doesn't bother you. Yeah. It's just something that I've noticed I do for 30-minute Sister kits.
True, fair enough. Good.
Ta-da! 10 out of 10. Love these.
Love them.
Would love early outfits. I would like, we talked about this earlier, I would like Lolitas and I would like magical girls. I'm submitting my request now.
No, I want tomboys, I want fighters, I want...
You get the fantasy line though.
Rough and tumble. Yeah, but I want cute girls doing these things.
Fair.
And I know you can combo them because all the 30-minute whatevers can be... But I want more of this.
Thank you so much to Plamo for sending us both of these ladies.
Thank you.
The official Bandai distributor in Canada. We always appreciate the opportunity to build our sweet ladies. Yeah. But that's all from us for today. We'll see you guys next time.
See you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.